Brand continues to refresh its iconic lineup by reimagining classic colorways, and House of Heat Degrees has joined in with a conceptual take on the Air Jordan 4. Dubbed the Black Cement, this imagined design fuses elements from two legendary versions, the black nubuck upper of the Air Jordan 4 Bred and the speckled gray accents of the white cement. The result is a fresh yet nostalgic sneaker that celebrates the silhouette's heritage while offering something new. With its premium materials and iconic detailing, the black cement concept pays tribute to the enduring appeal of the Air Jordan 4. It reflects the growing appetite for revamped classics, much like those featured in Jordan Brand's successful Reimagined series. Blending the best of both worlds, this design underscores the timelessness of the Air Jordan legacy while pushing creative boundaries for future releases, ensuring its continued relevance among sneaker enthusiasts.